In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Genspark AI Mobile for video creation. To get started, open the Genspark app on your mobile device. Once the app is open, look for the AI video option and tap on it. This will take you into the video creation area, where you can set everything up before generating your clip. One of the first things you can do here is choose the model you want to use for video generation. If you see a default model already selected, just tap on it to open the list of available models, then choose the one that best fits the kind of video you want to create. Different models may give slightly different visual results, so it's worth paying attention to this setting. After that, you can customize several important video options. You'll be able to adjust the aspect ratio, which helps you match your video to the platform you plan to post on. You can also choose the quality, set the video length, decide whether to include audio, and turn fast mode on or off depending on whether you want quicker results or potentially more refined output. If needed, you can also add reference materials and assets to help guide the generation and make the result closer to what you have in mind. Once your settings are in place, type your prompt. This is where you describe the video you want the AI to create, so try to be clear and specific. A well-written prompt usually leads to a better result. Next, tap on the standard dropdown. From there, you can choose between light, standard, or ultra. This setting usually affects the generation level, so pick the one that works best for your needs. When everything looks good, tap submit to start the video creation process, then just wait while Genspark generates your video. That's it, and you're ready to start creating AI videos right from your phone.